In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and set up a new document in InCopy with ease. Whether you're preparing to write a simple story, crafting a more elaborate multilingual piece, or getting ready to start your latest creative project, we'll walk through each step in detail to ensure that you're ready to get right into the writing process. First, let's go ahead and start by launching InCopy. Once you have it open, you'll want to choose File from the top menu, then select New to begin creating a new document. This brings up the New Document dialog box, which is also sometimes referred to as the Standalone Document dialog. This is where you'll make a few important decisions to tailor the document to your needs. One of the first choices you have to make involves deciding whether you want facing pages. If you're planning to work on a document that will be laid out in spreads, like a magazine, you'll want to keep facing pages selected. However, for a straightforward one-page story or article, it's best to deselect it to keep the layout simple. Moving down to the text area section, you'll have two options. You can either select the text frame for plain text editing, which is perfect if you're just focusing on the content. Alternatively, there's the frame grid, which is beneficial if you are working with more complex text layouts or multilingual typesetting. This option allows for more flexibility in design. Next up is specifying the dimensions of your text area. If you have particular values in mind for the width and depth of your text area, this is where you'll enter them. This is particularly useful if you are adhering to specific design guidelines or size constraints for print. As you proceed, it's time to choose a page size. There's a list of standard sizes you can choose from, but if you need something specific, don't shy away from entering a custom width and height to suit your project's needs perfectly. Another crucial setting is the text direction. Depending on the language and layout you are using, you'll want to set the text direction to either horizontal or vertical. This is a small step, but an important one to ensure everything reads correctly. After you've tailored your document settings to your liking, simply click OK. In moments, your new InCopy document will open up, prepared, and ready for your text input and editing. If you find yourself often using the same settings, there's a time saver tip. You can create and save your own preset. To do this, head back to File, then click on Document Presets and select Define. From there, you can click New, set up your preferred settings, give your new preset a name, and click OK. This way, the next time you're ready to start a project, you'll have your custom setup ready at a single click, saving you from re-entering all the values every time.